guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to get paid from Lemon8 app in a device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So as we know that Lemon8 app is similar to Instagram and Pinterest, and it has its amazing features, and in this app users post their photo and videos and in a very aesthetic way, and there will be the content about like travel, food, wellness and many more. So you need to also make sure that Lemon8 app is available in your region, and if not available in your region you can just use the VPN method in your own. And if the Lemon8 app is not available in your region, you won't be getting paid from this app because it's illegal to use from the VPN method. So in many regions like Thailand, UK, US, Japan, this app is available very freely. In this app, Lemon8 does not currently have a direct monetization program like TikTok Creator Fund, but you can still make money in several ways. Like first one is brand partnership and sponsorship. Work with brands to promote their products in your post, and post sponsored content featuring fashion, beauty, food, travel and or wellness brands. And you can also use the hashtags and create high quality content to attract brand detail. And the second is affiliated marketing. Share affiliated links like Amazon, Tulip, reward style, etc. And you can earn commission when people purchase product through your link, and add product recommendation in your caption and use SEO friendly hashtags. So that's how you can just earn from affiliated marketing. And there is one more process, like you can use cross promote and drive traffic. Link your Instagram, TikTok or YouTube to Lemon8 and convert Lemon8 followers into paying customers, subscribers or clients. Sell digital products, presets or courses on your other platforms. That's how also you can just promote and drive traffic. And the fourth feature is TikTok creator marketplace and influencer network. Since Lemon8 is owned by ByteDance, that is TikTok parents company, brands might scout influencers through TikTok creator marketplace, and you can just sign up for influencer market platform like Affluence, Aspire IQ, Brand Collab. And there is one more process from where you can also get paid. Future monetization is coming soon, but in Lemon8 is still growing, and official monetization features like ad revenue sharing or creator funds may be introduced later, so you get direct paid from Lemon8 app too. So you must have patience and consistency in this app. And the final to get paid in this app is post consistently and build an engaged audience, so that you will be always connected to your audience, and focus on high quantity lifestyle content, use trending hashtags and interact with them. Start now and be an early creator before the platform gets more competitive. Make sure you will be consistent to this app. So let me know if you need more help or related to this in our comment section below. That's it. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you.